Alright guys, we did bike ride part 1 and 2, so now we're going to do bike ride part 3 with my friend here. So, let's go. It's going to be fun. Maybe I'll do another video where it's the bike, if you were a bike. Should I put this? Here, put this in your pocket. Alright, here we go guys, are you ready? Let's go. A bike ride! Oh God! I didn't put my kickstand up, that's bad. Alright, let's go, Matt. Here. I hope this thing doesn't fall off. I'm gonna do a video. We'll do a video, do it yourself bike strap. Let's go. Coming, Matt. Is that thing riding very well? He has to use like my mom's bike because I don't have another one and it has a flat tire. Is it good? Yes. Oh! What are you doing to my bike? Does it have very good brakes? You just have to watch because people go fast on this road. Are you ready? Thing's hanging off. This bike is doing too well. Here, get to the right. We'll get on the right. Yeah, we're good. I think this thing's gonna fall off. It's got 107 seconds, Matt. If you don't have YouTube Capture, go out and get it. For like iPhones, smartphones, and the iPod. That's what I film on because I'm a piece of trash. You a piece of trash, Matt? Let's go. Speed up. We gotta go to the corner and then turn around. Let's go home. Alessandro, you're a piece of crap. Go, Matt. Push them buns. Push. Push your buns. Push them together. All right, guys. This has been Bike Ride Part 3. If you want me to, I'll make Bike Ride Part 4. Maybe a different area or something. So this has been Army Assassin 455. Friend me on Xbox, and this is the Gamequake
Zero, and with a freaking flat tire.
Yeah. All right. See you guys later.